Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we are going to see the percentage based on the percentage, whatever the percentage we have given as an input. Based on that, we will show him the first class distinction of failed, second class division, so similar to that. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. So for that, we need an input value. So for input, we will take an percentile as an input int, or I'll do it in a float. You do as int, just change the typecast, that's it, and we will take the value by using scanf. Once it is done, then we will write only if condition. Now here what we are going to learn is, we have already learned the if conditions in previous video, but if else, not if else, we will see if, else if, and else. Okay, so there are three things we are going to learn. One is if, else if, and else. So if the percentage is less than or equal to 40, then we will show him, we'll just display a message saying like he has failed. Okay, next will be like if the student is in between, means we have two things, right? So we have two what we call percentages. So for that we'll use and logical and. We'll use if logical and, saying like percentile is less than, not percentile is less than, if the percentage is greater than 40 and less than 60, then we will change it to second class. Similarly, we'll write one more condition for 60 to 70 and then above 70. Above 70 is all cases we will get like above 70, any percentage whatever he entered is like distinction. So if he and the number should be less than 100. So this is your homework. So how you check the how you check the entered value is less than 100 or not. If it is less than 100, then only this function need to be run, or else it should not consider as a valid input. For that, what you will do, write a code for that. Okay, so I'll just take the last condition, else loop, saying like if nothing false, then it is a distinction. So here you go, we will just execute it and we'll give some random values. You can see like there is an error, it should be less than or equal to, not equal to or less than. So we'll again execute the program. We'll write and enter as 70, distinction we got, great. 40 failed, great. We'll give some other values like 39.9 float value is it is, so it will accept, it's also failed. So we'll again execute and we'll give some percentage like 55, second class, it between 40 and 60, so it's fine. 41 again second class, let's give 51, second class, it's fine. Now let us give 60 and it says distinction. Here is the error. So we should either say 60 as a first class or second class. So wherever we want, just you need to put an equal to. Okay, so if you want to show as a first class as a distinction, so you need to 60 as first class. So then you need to keep an equal to here, or else you can keep it above, it will get as 60. That's what this video is all about. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions or doubts, just comment below. I will try to solve them out or make a new video for you guys. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.